get split up in teams of 2.
Me and Ghostface will go. Wait, where'd he go? Sam!
Oh yeah.
How do you sprint? Oh, there you are, you little faggot. How do you sprint? Alright, you two can hold each other in terror. Alright, Sam, don't you don't you go on me now, okay? This is not cool. God damn it, I don't want him as a partner. Alright, you go first, Sam. Yeah, you go first. Go this way, Dan. Yeah, pretty great.
Get ready to find the page. Karina, your character runs fast.
Then I turned around and there was nothing. It seemed like a familiar face.
I think we're about Sam. Let's go touch their face.
Alright, let's touch your face real quick.
Yep. Just like nibble it. Alright, we found one.
You can't hear it, but it's all over this place. You'll start to notice when it's too late.
Yeah.
What is with you people playing things in the hardest difficulty?
I have no idea. Sam,
I am a
just try.
sir, alright? I'm a commissioner.
We already did it on Nightmare, so we basically completed it. So I mean,
No, we did not get the 8 tapes, alright?
damn, look at the footy prints. Yes, but it's broken, so I have one earpiece. Oh, look.
I'm going to stay here and get some sleep.
Hey guys,
If I don't
behind
get
you.
any more,
Behind you.
it's all over.
He even looked at us. God dang. What? You would have what? So you want to jerk them? Y'all go to the mummies yet?
Man, she's right behind me.
White shit.
We're about to die.
Your character should be fast.
Alright, the monster's by us, guys, so you're good. Okay.
Oh god, guys. No.
Oh god, Sam.
No, my butthole.
No.
Butthole! No! Come to the light. Be romantic, be romantic. Please, be gentle. Be gentle. Be gentle. Be gentle.
Oh god, Sam, I'm behind you.
You don't turn around.
He's back there, we gotta like, what?
shut up and sleep with me, come on, why don't you sleep with me, shut up and sleep with me, come on, and sleep with me, shut up and sleep with me, come on, why don't you sleep with me, shut up and sleep with me, come on, and sleep with me, shut up and sleep with me, come on, why don't you sleep with me, shut up and sleep with me, come on, and sleep with me, shut up and sleep with me, come on, why don't you sleep with me, shut up and sleep with me, come on, and sleep with me, shut up and sleep with me, come on, why don't you sleep with me, shut up and sleep with me, come on, and sleep with me, shut up and sleep with me, come on, why don't you sleep with me, shut up and sleep with me, come on, and sleep with me. I love your body, not so much, I like your mind. In fact, you're boring, pretend not being of my kind. You keep on talking of some girl that I don't know. When will you shut up and when will we go?
I can hear a group of shit.
Die.
Hello, this is Trinity. I'm just gonna go over a basic error that happened during the video where one of my friends would ask me a question and it would just be total silence. Well, I was actually talking to my friends but over my Xbox headset, but you were not able to hear it. But I got a USB cord from my new mic, therefore you'll hear me. And hopefully we won't run into that error again. See you later.